Hi everyone, very warm welcome to my YouTube channel. So, how are you all? I hope that you people are pretty fine and doing very well. In today's video, I'm gonna share with you lots of beautiful button front outfit ideas. I have shared different type of beautiful printed button front shirts. You can wear these shirts with the different bottoms, like as you can see, I have shared different type of jeans and skirts and shorts outfit ideas. Hope so you will enjoy it and like these ideas. Beautiful necklines and beautiful sleeves designing button front shirts are shared in today's video. Hope so you will enjoy it and like these ideas. If you like these ideas, then hit the like button. And if you are new at my channel, then visit on my channel once. There I have shared a lots of ideas related to girls fashion and much more ideas related to casual outfit ideas. Beautiful blouses and beautiful shirts are shared. Hope so you will enjoy it and like those ideas. If you wanna see casual and formal dresses, you can watch my those videos. I have shared lots of bodycon dresses and evening dresses and occasional dresses like bridesmaids outfit ideas, wedding dresses and hairstyles. Beautiful haircuts, short haircuts are shared, pixie bob haircuts and hairstyles are shared. And also I have shared different type of nail art designs and in clothing I have shared office wear outfit ideas and plus size women's outfit and different type of clothing like proms and winter style dresses and street style fashion. Different countries street style fashion are shared like Italy, Milan, and Spanish, Greek, and also I have shared London street style fashion, German clothing, and different countries outfits. Hope so you will enjoy it and like those ideas as well. So don't forget to visit once. And if you like these ideas, then hit the like button. And if you are new at my channel, then visit on my channel once there and also subscribe my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Now let me say to take care. Bye bye.